As a mentor, you might find yourself in a position where you've got to rethink with a mentee, how does a mentee arrive? How does a mentee participate? How does a mentee follow through? How does a mentee do what the mentee does to be able to fulfill their commitments? And I mention that because in this time where Zoom is jumping into the storyline, the frequency of meetings may actually increase, is because it's something that allows someone to continue to learn, continue to improve, and being able to very quickly jump on and have a Zoom meeting rather than trying to find a place to meet in the organization or in the community. So there is that potential that Zoom brings these questions, this rethink forward for you as a mentor. I would even use a word like recalibrate. How are you going to think about it from yourself? Because where this leads to is truly understanding how you manage and lead your involvement in the mentoring arrangement relationship. Let me just unpack that just a little bit. From a manage point of view, it's about manage the systems for the person. So in this case, it would be manage the system for the mentee. It's the manage the mentoring arrangement that the mentee is involved with. And therefore, it's about leading the person from the system. In this case, it's you as a mentor leading the mentee from the system of learning and improvement and taking action from the relationships point of view. So when you bring your manage and lead together, it's to the benefit of the mentee, but also the benefit of yourself, because that rethink, that recalibration is also for you as a mentor about how to improve, focus, and strengthen your mentoring practice, your sense of presence as a mentor, your competence in the knowing and doing of mentoring. In helping the mentee to arrive, participate, leave, follow up is also for you. And stay present in that for yourself. So what I'm sharing with you, you're doing with the mentee, but you could also have a conversation with yourself in the mirror and say, okay, how am I arriving? How am I participating? How am I leaving? How am I following up? That's my tip. And take it to heart, take it to head, and see where that leads you. I have an ask of you: subscribe, comment, share, like this video, and ring the bell so that you can receive notification. Also, what follows is some information about one of the latest courses or books that are available to you.